some type of explosion at high-tech steel. I used to work at this place a long time ago. They had an explosion. May have some people hurt. Out here about 15-20 minutes ago. Not sure if anybody was hurt yet. We're waiting on word. We had an ambulance pull off already. Not sure if anybody was in it. A lot of police activity. Consumers was here. They just roped off or put police tape up. I asked them would employees be able to leave or come in. Waiting on word from that to see if if they're going to shut down shift. If anyone is badly injured. From the looks of it, somebody is hurt. They had a garage door open over here that they closed down. They closed the garage door. The media popped up.
I mean, we know there's a dead guy, but we can't report that. Yeah, I would say
goes right behind there. Something like Oxford and Roberts.
There must have been fire.
Yeah, it's on Bagley.
Yeah, I don't know exactly.
I used to work there.
Okay. Yeah, whoops. We just got back by police tape.
So windy out here. This police tape just almost cut my neck off.
He's impostering you.
Can you hear me, Jeff? All right, well, I can't talk because his wind is interfering. They can't hear me because this wind is so treacherous.
Yeah.
something out here. So you can smell something might be happening. It smell like, I can't describe it. It smell like a chemical. I'm gonna walk back over here to the front. That's what it looked like. There was a lot more activity out here, probably even like 10 minutes ago. It was like half a dozen police cars, 4 fire trucks, 2 or 3 consumers energy trucks, 2 or 3 ambulances, a few people in and out. There's a lot of traffic going in and out of this door down here under the high-tech sign. And they actually closed that door because you could see in there. So the police just put up this tape after they closed that door. We don't know what's in there. We do know like 2 people, at least 2 people were hurt. We do know at least 2 people were hurt. But after they put up the tape, before they put up the tape, they closed this this door down here. It's like a garage door we could see into, and that was closed. So it's windy out here, and I'm gonna get something up on M Live and keep everybody posted.